Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious quinoa khichdi in a cooker. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of quinoa and 1/4 cup of split yellow lentils, also known as moong dal. Make sure to have 1 medium onion, 1 tomato, and a small piece of ginger chopped. Don't forget a few green chilies for a little kick, a pinch of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Finally, 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil and 4 cups of water are crucial. Before we start cooking, proper preparation is key for the best khichdi. Begin by thoroughly rinsing your 1 cup of quinoa and 1/4 cup of moong dal under running water until the water runs clear. This removes any impurities. Next, soak them in fresh water for at least 15 minutes. This helps them cook evenly and become tender. While they soak, finely chop your medium onion, 1 tomato, and the small piece of ginger. You can slit or chop your green chilies too. Now let's get cooking in the pressure cooker. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds, releasing their aroma. Next, add your chopped onion, ginger, and green chilies, sautéing them until the onion turns translucent and fragrant. Finally, stir in the chopped tomato, a pinch of turmeric, and salt to taste, cooking for about 2 minutes until the tomatoes soften slightly. We're almost there. Drain the soaked 1 cup of quinoa and 1/4 cup of lentils completely, then add them to the cooker with the sautéed vegetables. Pour in 4 cups of water, give everything a good stir, and ensure it's well combined. Close the pressure cooker lid and cook on medium heat for 3 whistles. Once done, turn off the heat and let the pressure release naturally. Your delicious quinoa khichdi is ready to be served hot, perhaps with a dollop of yogurt or a side of pickle. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.